Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Ella and today I'm here on the brand new Star of the Seas and I wanted to give you guys a room tour of 10 to 47. This is a infinite Central Park view stateroom. It's so cool, so let's go take a tour. All right, so to start off with, we have the bathroom, which is in this door here. We have the toilet. We've got some different shelves running up there. And then we have the shower, which just opens like this, right inward. You have like a little bench, some like little hangers, and then a rack with your towels. And then on the other side, you have some shelves, an adjustable shower wand, and then they have a hair and body wash that is combined. All right, and then we have the vanity. We've got this mirror. We have some shelves along with some outlets up here. They also have a little hook. And then here's your sink. And then you have some shelves down here and a little trash can. Oh, and you also have this little drawer. It's kind of an interesting like shape, but it would be nice to put some extra stuff in. All right, and then outside of the bathroom, you're going to have your thermostat, which you can change a bunch of different settings. You can turn it on like the morning, movie, evening, sleep, all sorts of fun stuff. And you can control the temperature. You've also got your lights here. You have this full-length mirror right here, which is pretty big and goes all the way down to the ground. And you also have some more storage right behind this mirror. You have a safe here, but then you have all of these different shelves, so you can fit a lot in this room. Then you have some hooks right here, and then this big TV along with some shelves. And you even have some outlets. You have a USB and a USB-C, which is perfect because you always need to charge phones, cameras, and all of that. And then you have your bed, which can be split into 2 twin beds. So if you want, you just have to ask, and they will split this one into the 2 twins. And then each side will have a lamp, and then you've got an outlet right here, and then you have your lamp switch and another plug here. And then something I love is this closet. It fits a lot of stuff. So you got this side, which has like just a bunch of like the hangers. And then on this side, some more hanging storage. And then down below, they have these little like bins, which are perfect to store like shoes or just different things that you want. And then you get 4 of them. All right, and then moving on to more of the room, you have this same thing, but on this side, you have a phone. You still have the same USB and the lamp, but you also have the phone and some extra storage down there. And then you also have this couch, which can also be made into a bed later at night if you have a third person in here. And then they have this really pretty artwork behind it. I love this one. And they even have this one, which is really cool. Then on the other side, you have this little C table and a trash can. And then you have your vanity. So you got a chair, you've got this big mirror, you have a bunch of different outlets here, all sorts of different ones, and then your light switches. Ooh, and look at this lamp, it's so pretty. And then you do have a bunch of different drawers. So you've got your breakfast menus, you also have your room service menu. And then you've got some more. Here's your blow dryer, some tissues, and then just some other drawers for more storage. There really isn't like a shortage of places where you can put things. Like there's so many drawers, so many just shelving and all of that in this room. So it's perfect, especially for like families, or if you just travel with a lot of stuff like me, it's perfect. I also love the design on here. Like, look at that. And then this one is actually your mini fridge. So you can fit a couple different things in here. All right, and now for the best part, the balcony. This one is actually inside. So you've got 2 chairs and then this little table, and then this big window that can actually open. So if you press this button, you just push it down, it will open. So then you can feel like you're like literally right in Central Park. You can hear the music. It's great for like people watching and all of that. Like, look at this. You can see right into like the beautiful Central Park. It's one of my favorite places. I just love it, like all the greenery and everything. It's just so pretty. It's something I really love about this ship is that they have these. They're super cool. So if you don't just want to like stare out into the ocean and you want to be more in like downtown, maybe like mall slash like little, like you feel like you're a part of like a little city almost. It's super cool. And then if you don't want to be out in the heat, especially in the summer, you can just put this up and hang out and have extra space for people to sit and just hang out. It's one of my favorites. I really like this room just because of this and that you get to face Central Park. So that is a room tour of 10-47 here on the Star of the Seas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found it a bit helpful. If you guys haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post more content. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!